Well, I decided to cut up a couple more of these Kentucky Geodes today. Got these kind of interesting ones. You see how flat they are there? It's going to be really hard to get them in my fixture there for the saw standing upright. I'm still a little on the fence how I'm going to do it. If I'm going to cut it down the middle here, that's what I'd like to do. I just don't know if I can get my saw to do it. I could freehand it too. I may do that. Otherwise, I may clamp them up like this and just cut them right down the middle here. So, I don't know, follow along, let's see what I do. Well, I cut a little flat on the bottom, on both sides, so I can stand it up that way. So I'm hoping that cutting it that wide way will be cool. So let's see how it turns out. Well, I cut up a couple more Kentucky Geodes today, and they're such an interesting rock. So they're just such a, this thing looks like a brain, doesn't it? 2 hemispheres of a brain. Such a kind of rough and tumble looking monster on the outside, and then they have these really interesting patterns on the inside. So I'm going to polish these up on my cabbing machine to see what I can make, how pretty I can make them that way. These don't seem to have many pockets in them. It seems just to be like a solid, like crystal inside, more like a kind of thunder egg looking thing. This one did have some minor pockets in it. As you can see, they're pretty decent pockets in them. They had like a chalky yellow substance inside that I washed out too. You can see there's some really pretty crystals in there. Again, kind of a rough looking guy. These are interesting because they're more narrow. They weren't very round. This one I cut down this direction, and then this one, just out of curiosity, I cut it that direction. So we'll cut some more.